Caitlin, how you do today? Joester. She's fine. I love her. Don't stop it. Bad Caitlin. Bad Caitlin. Yes, I said. Don't bite me.
Everybody, you want to see the marks I made on him? When I'm. Oh, wait.
We ain't putting this on YouTube. This ain't going on YouTube.
Alright. Where's the mark? Where's the mark at?
I don't know. Shit, where are they?
I think that's the one right there.
There's one up here. Gotta take my hook.
Just take your goddamn arm out.
Oh, I was gonna strip.
YouTube, you do not want to see that.
I'm sorry. I'm always gonna love you. You ain't gonna Mike Tyson me.
Come here. Come here. Well, don't.
Who are you now?
I know who. Ow, you hurt my arm, you little bitch.
I know.
Oh my.
I did not.
Ah! Ah!
Aggressive.
I'm smart to spit off your nose, man. Come here, give my mud kiss. Give my mud kiss. Give my. Come on, give my mud kiss.
Get my fucking.
Come
At the same time.
Okay, one, two, three. Damn.
See, she ain't never gonna get.
Y'all think so? For me and him, I caught you a her. Stop. Okay, I quit.
I forgot about this part. See, I win.
Oh
So you
my
win.
Stop. Wait. Time out. No.
I gotta. No.
Come here. What are you doing?
Oh,
Come here. I said time out.
You bite me, I'll bite you.
I said time. Oh, now time out. God. I can't get a decent hug? Dang.
No, you can't.
Come here, let me get a decent hug. Here. What are you doing? Stop. I just want a hug, dude. Tickle. Okay, I'm done. What? Chill out, okay? You sure I want to go? Good, cool.
Just like that.
Ya tú te comes. You showed us an example.
Stop it.
See, YouTube? I do bite my boyfriend. We just playing around. Tell her it don't hurt.
It don't hurt.
Do it hurt?
Yes.
No, I don't. Look at that, YouTube. Oh my god, he's black. It's okay here. I'm just gonna kiss it. Did it hurt? No, you didn't. Oh, okay. No, stop. Yes. Well,
Time to go.
that's my boyfriend, Jer Bear.
Uh,
I love him so much.
she's aggressive.
I ain't never been aggressive with him.
Put that on Jesus.
Then I'll go to hell because I'll be alive.
I'm not lying. I'm dead serious.
I'm Kate. That's Jer Bear.
She
Jeremy.
beat the hell.
Because if you call him Jer Bear, I will fuck your ass up. I don't care where you stay. Love you, YouTube.
We ain't going on YouTube.